Hello all. Akriti Educations brings you the analysis on previous year IIT JEE questions. In this video, we will discuss question number 9 of section B asked in mains paper held in morning of 16th March 2021. Question says, let f maps from R to R be a continuous function such that f of x plus f of x plus 1 is equal to 2 for all x belongs to R. If I1 is equal to integration f of x from limit 0 to 8 and I2 is integration f of x from limit minus 1 to 3, then we need to find the value of I1 plus 2 times I2. Here we will solve this question by two methods. First method is based on the basic definition of the function and its features, while the second method is the short trick which can be adapted to solve such kind of questions. First we go with the method 1. It is given that f of x plus f of x plus 1 is equal to 2. Now if we replace x by x minus 1, we will get f of x minus 1 plus f of x is equal to 2. By subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we will get f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x minus 1. And by further replacing x by x minus 1, we will get f of x is equal to f of x minus 2. Now it is an important relation because it implies that f of x is a periodic function of fundamental period 2. A function g of x is said to be periodic function with fundamental period t if it repeats after every t cycle. And mathematically, it is represented as g of x is equal to g of x plus t is equal to g of x minus t. By using the definition of the periodic function, I1 can be broken into four parts: limit 0 to 2, limit 2 to 4, limit 4 to 6 and limit 6 to 8. All these four parts are equal because function is periodic with the fundamental period 2. Hence, I1 can be simplified as 4 times integration of f of x from 0 to 2. Further, if we replace x by x plus 1, then we will get I1 as 4 times integration of f of x plus 1 from limit minus 1 to 1. Similarly, I2 can be broken into two parts, from limit minus 1 to 1 and from limit 1 to 3. Both of these parts are equal because function is periodic with the fundamental period 2. Hence, I2 can be simplified as 2 times integration f of x from minus 1 to 1. So, from equation 5 and 6, I1 plus 2 times of I2 will be 4 times integration of f of x plus f of x plus 1 from limit minus 1 to 1, which will give the value 16. Now, we will solve this question by second method. It is given that f of x plus f of x plus 1 is equal to 2, which is nothing but a functional equation, and it will be satisfied for all x belongs to R. Now, there may be several continuous functions defined on the real set which will satisfy the given functional equation. And out of those all functions, one of the possible functions is the constant function, because constant function is defined for all x belongs to R and it is a continuous function. It can be verified that if we put f of x is equal to some constant c, then f of x plus 1 will also be equal to c. And after substituting these values in the given functional equation, we will get c is equal to 1. And thus f of x is equal to 1 will satisfy the given functional equation. We can also verify that it is a continuous function defined for all x belongs to R. Now, further substituting f of x is equal to 1 in I1 and I2, we will get our required answer as 16. Thank you all. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates.